In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert delta symbol in Microsoft Word. I'll show you three methods. First, go to Insert tab, then click on Symbols. Here you will find more symbol option. Just click on it. From Subset, you have to select Greek and Coptic. Then you have to scroll up a little bit and you will find the delta symbol here. This is Greek small letter delta. If you want to insert it, you have to click on Insert. If you scroll up a little bit, you will find the capital delta here. You see Greek capital letter delta. If you want to insert it, just click on Insert. Here you see the two letters is inserted. Method number 2 is keyboard shortcut. If you want to write capital delta, you have to write 0394, then press Alt X. Here you see the capital delta. If you want to write small delta, you have to write 03 before, then press Alt X. Method number 3 is equation editor. You have to go to Insert tab, then click on equation. Here you will find insert new equation at the bottom. Just click on it. The shortcut is alter equal. Then write backslash capital D small ELTA delta and press space. Here you see the capital delta. If you want to write small delta, you have to backslash delta and then press space. See the small delta. In mathematics, we use capital delta for change or difference and small delta for small change or partial difference. By using these three methods, you can easily write delta in Microsoft Word.